Hello everyone, so Seedream 4.5 is here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use it for free at unlimited time and create the 4K images for free. So first of all, you just need to come to your browser and you need to go to this three-dot menu and open an incognito window and paste this link here. I'll provide these links in my video comment box so you can copy it and paste it. So remember to open this on incognito mode. So for the first time when the website is loading, if you see that everything is Chinese, you can go to this globe option and you can select English and restart your page. Then you will get this English language on your image generation. So to create Seedream 4K images for free, first you need to select the image generation option and you don't need to sign up or anything. And if you come to this, you need to choose the ByteDance Seedream 4.5. As you can see, select this and here you can choose 4K resolution and you can choose any type of aspect ratio that you want. For example, if I choose this, and you can also create group images, but for this we're not going to use this because you get guest trial 10 times without logging in. So let me just go to the configure option and here you can see how many generation you want. Let me just select 2 here. So let me just give this random prompt here and click submit. Now it will start to generate your images with using the Seedream 4.5, and as you can see, you only have 9 guest trial for free without logging in. Also, I'm going to show you how to use this for unlimited time. Let's see the image first. Now here our image has been created. As you can see, this is the prompt that I give and this is 4K quality. And here's another image which is also been generating as this is for free. So that's why it's going to take some time, and this is the 4K quality. So we're going to download this. Now, when you're going to download this image, as you can see, there's the AI generated watermark here. So don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can also remove this watermark from image. So to remove the watermark, you need to paste this link here and go to this website. I will also provide this in my comment box, but you have to open this on your browser, not in incognito mode. So we're going to upload the image that we created with Seedream 4.5 and it will start to process the image, and if it finds any watermark, it will remove the watermark within a few seconds. So you just have to wait for it. So now as you can see, our watermark has been removed from this image, and you can also enhance this quality. If I just click on this HD, it will show you this website where you can upload your image. As you can see, it is already automatically uploaded the image because it was already chosen, and it will generate to high quality like 2K. If you want to use this for 4K, it will also generate 4K, and here's the 4K quality, which is pretty good. Now you can download this for free. And as you can see, this is the image without watermark using the Seedream 4.5. And as you can see, I have created 3 images here and I got guest trial 8 times. So I can create 8 images guest trial for 8 times. So how to use this for unlimited time? So what you have to do, you just need to close the incognito mode, go to your browser and go to this 3 dot and select again the new incognito mode, paste the link that I provided again, and when the website is loading, as you can see, again we got guest trial for 10 times. So with this method you can use the Seedream 4.5 for free at unlimited time with 4K quality, and also you can remove the watermark with the free tool that I showed. But if you want to create images without watermark, there's another way you can do this, is come to this website which is called LM Arena. So let me just go to the home first. You just need to search in the Google for lmarena.ai. Now go to this direct chat option, battle option, and choose this direct chat, and here you'll find Seedream 4.5 and select the image option from here. Now you can create images using the Seedream 4.5 for free. Now with LM Arena, you can create 5 images in every 50 minutes. As you can see, I have created these 5 images. If you click the thumbnail, I created the thumbnail with Seedream 4.5. As you can see, these are the thumbnail that I created. If you click this video with Seedream 4.5, and I've created 5 images, and after that it gives me a limitation, and every 50 minutes you will get 5 limitation, and you can create 5 images again. And these images, as you can see, it will not give you watermark here, and these are the 2K quality because you can use it for free. So that's it guys, this is the video that I want to share with you. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.